Hello, welcome to the channel of Ball Running Beard. This is your host Nelson. Today we're doing a quick video on how to fix our beard butter when it gets grinny and it got them little pebbles of grinny. So let's go to the video. It's going to be a short one. Alright, for today's example we are using the Bahawat Millionaire. Every time I buy this type of beard butter, it seems like they always have the problem of grittiness. I don't know if you can see it. I'm definitely gonna pull some of it out. All right, so it looks like it's normal. Let me see if I get it to focus. Okay, seems like it's normal, right? But then once you start wearing it, you see them little pebbles. Yeah, it starts getting them little pebbles like that. Now they eventually will melt if you try to get it, if you heat it up really good in your hand, but that's not ideal. What we want is some smooth butter, right? So I'm going to show you how you can get that beard butter using that microwave and a tool to mix it. We're going to get that grittiness out of that beard butter. We're going to use that tool to mix it once we heat it up in the microwave, and we can get that butter smoothing out again. All right, so we're gonna open up the microwave. We're gonna go ahead and stick our butter, no cover, just straight up. Put it right there. Now I might probably gonna mute this because I'll have to turn the truck on to heat up. So basically we will want to add, being this is a small microwave, this is like a 700 watt, I'll probably be good with the 30 seconds. If you have usually people have a bigger microwave like 1,000 or 1,100 watt, you want to do it about 10 to 15 seconds at a time. I'll probably do 30 because I got a smaller microwave, a 700. So it's all depending on the power of the microwave, the time. But we were going to do that, and every so often we're going to keep looking at it. We'll open up once it finished, we'll look at it, and what we're trying to find is from that solid state that is in first, from solid to liquid. That's what we're looking for. So I'm gonna start doing it, and I'm gonna fast forward through it so it'll be a faster video. So now that we got it on a liquid state, we're gonna grab our handy dandy tool. We're gonna dip it in there. We're gonna spin. Be careful we don't overspill or nothing. So we're gonna spin it. Make sure you can use a stick, a metal rod, a wooden pallet, a straw, basically anything that you don't mind getting that product into it. All right, once we spin it, give it a nice gentle spin. All right, we're gonna go ahead, close it, cautions being that it's glad, it's gonna be hot, so you might need to wear mittens, or just like I do, just persevere through it. Once you get it close, there's two options. You can either put it in the fridge for an hour, or for between an hour and a half or 6 hours. Or the second option, which I recommend, just stick it in the freezer for about an hour, check it. If it's solidified, use it. If not, give it another 10, 20 minutes until it solidifies. That'll be it.